Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. So these are 5 ways to make more money with Uber Eats, 5 tips. Then we can probably end the video here.
Okay. I've been driving more for Uber Eats, and I've been noticing that there's some things that if done would decrease your earnings per hour.
So we're gonna skip to this one, number 1. Oh.
I've been driving down below. So tip number 1, really specifically for Uber Eats, stop auto accepting stacked orders.
So don't accept stacked orders, guys. Don't auto accept them.
Decision. Number 2, if you're not doing this already, start focusing on service for tips.
So for this one, this is freaking important, guys. You make sure you get your utensils. Make sure you got extra hot sauce, extra, what else? Napkins, straws. Ask for a coupon. Go, a lot of these like little restaurants, they have free coupons. Ask them for a little coupon and put it in the bag. You might get an extra tip. So just go above and beyond with service. With food delivery nowadays, it's more so just drop off at the front door. You could write a little note next to it and say like, thank you. Maybe do a little breath mint.
Get more tips. Number 3, really one of the biggest mistakes I see from new drivers. You must decline orders that are giving you $1 or less per mile. For business miles here in 2020, the IRS...
Wait, what is this? So, yeah, don't decline these specific orders.
Number 4, another big mistake I see from new drivers is you need to take advantage of any Boost or Quest bonuses. Both are bonus pay options on...
Yeah, make sure you get those bonuses if they have any. And then the last one, guys.
More tips. And tip number 5, a massive point about efficiency. You need to find really the most dense area in your marketplace. And that...
More orders and less expenses means less driving around. So there's 5 tips. Yeah. Those are 5 tips for Uber Eats. Any final thoughts, Izzy, on that one?
Or actually, yeah, what we were saying earlier about like maybe even using a bike if you're in a really dense area, then you don't have to spend any money on gas.
That's true. That's true.
And you get a little bit of exercise too.
Yeah, if you're pedaling.
Yeah.
Well, I would say try to get an e-bike. But e-bikes can be expensive though.
Yeah, but still less than a car.
And if you go on Facebook Marketplace, try to find somebody who's like moving or something. They don't have room for their e-bike.
Yeah, and like you don't have to get insurance.
True. Or you don't have to register the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can cut a lot of expenses with just having a bike.
Yeah.